There are about 10,000 companies in North America involved with manufacturing windows, with about 1,000 of those businesses actually fabricating them. This means a homeowner could have an overwhelming amount of choices. How can you know the right window to choose? A starting point could be comparing what the window is made of. There are 4 main window frame materials: aluminum, wood, fiberglass and composite, and vinyl. Let's take a look at each one. Aluminum frames are best known for their structural integrity and durability. They have a fairly low cost, but they transfer heat and cold easily, so they're not as energy efficient. Aluminum frames account for less than 3% of the window market product purchases. Wood is a very popular frame type. They also have better thermal efficiency compared to the aluminum frame and are much more pleasing to the eyes with their beautiful grain patterns. But beauty like this can fade over time. Wooden windows require regular ongoing maintenance, which can become quite costly, especially if it's overlooked for a period of time. Fiberglass and composite frames are the newest technology in the window making market. They show their worth through their superior energy performance as well as in strength and longevity. Unfortunately, their performance does come at a cost. They are heavy and the frames are bulky, which reduces the glass viewing area. Fiberglass and composite are also the highest cost window frames out there, which makes their share of the window market even smaller than aluminum frames. Vinyl frames dominate the market with over 50% of sales, but people see them as plain because of a lack of colors and options. And their construction can lead to sizable frames, which can lead to a loss of glass viewing area. However, having the highest efficiency, lowest cost, and easiest maintenance, their benefits surpass the aesthetic limitations. Choosing the right window material is important, but it is not the only deciding factor. Make sure you research how windows are constructed.